Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jamie, and on this channel you can find all things luxury handbags, neutrals, and elevated style. You can also find me over on Instagram at Luxe Petite, where I'm styling my brown and beige handbags. Now, in today's video, I have a very exciting double brown unboxing. I have a Celine handbag, and this is a amazing exciting bag that I still can't believe I have this and can't wait to tell you the story time on this handbag. And then this one is a pair of shoes. You can tell from the box, and this is from the Row. Now, I will tell you that this video is dedicated to my content creator friend, Layla Sophia. If you know Layla and her channel, she is all about the Row. It's one of her favorite brands, and we also share this great love for Phoebe Philo Celine. It's a little bit of a hint when it comes to the handbag, but guys, let's get right into it. Reveal is going to be this pair of shoes. These shoes, I saw them the first time online and I was obsessed. I can't tell you, I'm just thankful that I was able to get them online, because with the Row, a lot of their items are just so quick. When they're seasonal, they go like that. So you just gotta be on top of it. But let me show you guys the footage with my unboxing. The Row loafers in the eel skin and the light brown color. I will tell you, they are so comfortable. I put them on, and when I have loafers, sometimes they're a little bit hard to wear in, but these ones are super soft. That was something I was just surprised by. I didn't know what to expect with the Row. This is my first pair of shoes from the Row, so super excited. But also, let me show you guys a close-up too. You can see this eel skin. It's such a pretty shade of brown. I would say it's more of the darker tone brown, but I'm kind of obsessed. You can see some of the detailing here. It's such a beautiful, beautiful shoe, and I think it's going to go with so much in my wardrobe. But I thought this pair would be perfect. It's spring month here in Chicago, and for my casual outfits, I think this would be the perfect type of shoe that I could wear. I could also wear them to work. Very comfy, chic type of style. Did want to let you guys know I took a size 38. I've never tried the Row shoes before, and typically I'm a size 38 when it comes to Hermes sandals, so I just kind of felt like, let's just get the 38. Sometimes I'm a 37.5, but the 38 was the perfect shoe size for this particular one. I would definitely say I'll give you guys more of an update once I wear these, but so far so good. I love the fact that right out of the box, these ones are super comfortable. I know Layla, you were looking at these ones. I will tell you, if you can pick these up, anyone, you guys would love it too, but I think these are definitely Layla Sophia approved on this. I can't believe I have this handbag. And if you guys have watched my Celine handbag collection video, which I will have linked, you guys probably know what this is, especially because there was really just 2 bags left to make my perfect Celine collection. But yes, this is old Celine. This is Phoebe Philo, and there's a little bit of a story time too that goes with this one. But let me just show you guys, because I know you guys are dying to see it like me. It's so good. And this one, it's in amazing condition. Ta-da! Okay. It's perfection. Here we go. This handbag is from the Phoebe Philo collection in this beautiful dark brown, and you can see here a little bit nod to the logo here, and it's beautiful. Look at this condition. I don't think this was really It wasn't used at all. And this leather treatment is very similar to my Phoebe Philo bags with the white one and the clutch. I can't believe I have this one. Okay, so this was the purse top handle bag. I don't know if that's the official name of it when Phoebe Philo had it in her collection. I've seen a little bit when I looked online trying to find it. It's such a generic name to this bag. So the little bit of story time. A couple weeks ago, Layla decides to drop it in my DMs on Instagram, like, hey, you might want to check this out because this is one of our Phoebe Philo bags that you and I would love in our collection. And she was right. It was from Bestiaire Collective, and that bag, it had a little bit of damage. I was like, no, 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 I need to like focus on non-handbag things, but it was always in the back of my mind. Randomly, I think it was when I was putting together my Celine collection video together, and I just so happened to put that brown bag, because I was looking for a picture of that bag for my collection video. And when I put it into search in Google, it came back with this listing, but from Rebag. Wasn't the one that Layla sent me, but the Rebag one was like in amazing condition. Like the person just didn't even use this bag. And it was like for $1,100, which is a steal. I couldn't believe it. It was one of those times that I was like, we just gotta like move quick on this. Does anybody else see this one? I gotta like move quick on this because I just couldn't believe for that price, that condition, people that might see this bag may think twice. They might think, oh, it's just another brown handbag with some interesting pleating detail, but lo and behold, it is a Phoebe Philo. And this collector, I was like, we gotta pick this up. So that is exactly what I did. Like so quickly, checked out with that handbag, and again, thankfully the price was a decent $1,100, and for this collector I was like, there's no way. This bag is so hard to find. Rebag had it listed at that generic name, but there's not a very good description of that, especially because you can only find this on the resale market. To locate this bag using any distinct descriptors, a lot of times it's very generic, like purse with handle. So as you can imagine, trying to find this on the pre-love, it just becomes a point of like luck. If you search your Celine pre-sale items a lot, like I do, because I was always hoping that this would come up. Honestly, it was during a time I really wasn't looking, and just so happened it popped up when I was trying to do my research for my collection video. But yes, this was a bag. So definitely I would say, Layla, you definitely inspired, but this one is in amazing condition, and I think you might need this bag too. Just saying. I know you're enjoying your camel clutch, and that's such a beautiful bag. Guys, I certainly now have completed my Phoebe Philo portion of my Celine collection, and with that, I think it's pretty surreal because again, this bag is so hard to find, and I can't believe now I have I have 4 Phoebe Philo bags. And you guys, of course, we're gonna have to see the 4 together in action just to enjoy. Those of you that love the Phoebe Philo bags like me, Layla and Mary from Mary's Room, just take it in because this is truly exciting for this collector. I can't believe this. So let me go grab the 4 bags. First we have my eyelet bag, and then the clasp bag that I got not too long ago. Just such a structured stunner, and the brown shade on that is so interesting. And then this is my favorite out of my entire Celine collection. It's my clutch. But I do want to show you guys a comparison between this clasp bag. See how the brown, it's a little bit, this is more like a chocolate kind of color, and then this one's definitely more of like that dark, like milky chocolate meets dark chocolate, if you will. I think it's so interesting. I just love the pleating. This pleating on this bag is a little bit reminiscent of the pleating on my favorite camel clutch. Would you guys love to have more of a comparison or like an in-depth review of my Phoebe Philo collection? Because these 4 bags are really it when it comes to my Phoebe Philo. It's so good. Okay guys, well that is it. Thank you so much, Layla, for your love of the row and of Phoebe Philo with me. I Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Let me know, would you be interested in a Phoebe Philo review of my bags? And then also, be sure to like and subscribe. I will talk to y'all in my next video. Take care.